This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the page orientation in Google Docs. I'm going to jump over to my browser here. I got a couple sheets opened up in Google Docs here. I added a background color just so it's easier to see. I have a couple sheets opened. To change your page orientation, it's very simple to do. I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go down to Page Setup. I'm going to select that. In the dialog box that opens up, your page orientation is right here. If you want to change it to landscape, you just click right here and it goes to landscape mode. If you'd like to set landscape as a default, you could select right down here. And then when you open up a sheet, like if you're doing a lot of sheets in landscape mode, you can set it as a default. I'm just going to leave my default be for right now, and then I'm going to select OK. And there's landscape mode. But that's how you change your orientation in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.